To keep things simple and pricing under control, Kia chose not to offer factory options on any grade of Rio, save the automatic transmission on the base trim and a leather seating package on the top X trim. Regardless of the trim, opting for the 5-door hatchback adds $300 to the sedan prices below. Content for both configurations is the same. The LX, $14,795 includes a 6-speed manual transmission, 15-inch steel wheels, auto headlight control, dual manual outboard mirrors, a tilt steering wheel, a trip computer, a 12-volt power outlet, cloth seats, a 6-way manually adjusted driver's seat, a rear bench seat, air conditioning, power door locks, 6 airbags, hill start assist and a 4-speaker audio system with a 5-inch display, satellite radio capability and USB auxiliary input jacks. A 6-speed automatic transmission is optional. The S, $16,995 builds on the LX features with 6-speed automatic transmission, power heated outboard mirrors, power windows, a 60/40 split folding rear seat, a center console with a sliding armrest, 2 additional tweeter speakers, cruise control, Bluetooth connectivity, a rear view camera and remote keyless entry. The X, $19,295 adds to the S with 15-inch alloy wheels, fog lights, a tilt telescopic steering wheel, a supervision meter cluster with a 3.5-inch display, lighted vanity mirrors, upgraded seat cloth, a leather-wrapped steering wheel and shift knob, a 7-inch audio display, a Evo 3 infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and automatic emergency braking. The only option is the X Launch Edition package with red accented leather seating.